deck and seamanship facilities and simulators, we now explore the engineering and electrotechnical workshop facilities UMTC has. And I know, engineers are excited to see this. As you can see, it is quite an area for practical workshops, and the trainees here are safely protected with coveralls and hard hat because here in UMTC, you'll get your hands dirty and skilled most of the time. Starting with this workshop area called MAN Practical Workshop is used for practical training and assessment using special tools that can be found on ships. It provides simulation of dismantling and reinstalling maintenance, planning, and repair procedure. Across this is the collaboration of UMTC with its local partner of Alpha Laval, RGH Consultancy Incorporated, the engine auxiliary machinery workshop area of the complete engine system installed. It includes fuel oil treatment, central cooling, and ballast water management system. We also have a new 40-foot container facility in collaboration with Techcross of South Korea. This is Techcross Ballast Water Treatment System, the first in the Philippines. Next is the lathe machine facility. It is a very spacious area where 6 engine lathe machines are ready for one-on-one practical training. Not just that, we also have 6 bench grinders to perform offhand grinding of lathe cutting tools. Now we're moving to something I know most of us, even non-seafarers, are familiar with. We're going to see welding facilities of UMTC. Actually, UMTC has 3 welding facilities. The first one is the electric arc welding area, which is used for basic electric welding procedures. Then, on the other side is the oxyacetylene gas welding area, where oxyacetylene welding processes are done. Both have 8 welding booths. Next is the sea fastening welding facility that caters all seafarers engaging in heavy lift vessels to develop their skills and ability to perform cargo securing welding and gouging methods by industry standards. Last is the practical workshop area, or what they call tools technology facility, aimed to provide basic knowledge and skills on different tools, equipment, and gadgets primarily used in various practical workshop activities. There you have it! Now you know the facilities and equipment UMTC can give you for a very competent engine training experience. But you know what? We're not yet done exploring UMTC. In our next episode, we're gonna give you a taste of world-class ETO or electrical training. And guys, comment down below what else you want to see here on UMTC YouTube channel and we'll do it for you. So please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of what's new with our channel. Also, please like and follow our Facebook page, United Marine Training Center, to know every update with us. Thank you so much and join me again, not just with this tour, but onto the farthest seas. I'm Jeriel, bon voyage!